Hi viewers, today we are going to see measures of central tendency. Mean, median, quartiles and mode are the four different ways to find the central tendency. Let's look at a high level. What does each mean here? Mean meaning we need to find the average, and given below a data set, so for which we can see the average calculated. Median meaning middle value. Here two values are there in middle. If it's only one, you can directly take that. Since we got two values in the middle here, we need to do the average of those two values to get the median. Quartiles meaning we need to divide the data into four quarters: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Quarter 1 is lower points, quarter 4 is a higher point. So we will look into only the middle range Q2 and Q3 to get the quartiles. Mode meaning frequency of data. So in this data, 2 is occurring more number of time. There are some time where there are no repetition. They are called A model. So question 1 from the chapter 24A. Find the mean of the following. The formula for the mean is all the data points we need to add divided by number of data points. So in the first part of the question, we need to add all the values 6 plus 9 plus 11 plus 12 plus 7 divided by the number of points over here is 5. That gives us the arithmetic mean. (45 by 5). So 9 is the arithmetic mean. Second part of the question, again we need to sum up all and divide by total number of data points. So 11 plus 14 plus 23 plus 26 plus 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 6 divided by 8. So 120 divided by 8. Arithmetic mean is 15. Second question, marks obtained by the students in mathematics is given below. Of 9 students, we need to find the mean. That's the first part of the question. So we need to add all the scores and divide it by 9 to get the arithmetic mean. 60 plus 67 plus 52 plus 76 plus 50 plus 51 plus 74 plus 45 plus 56 divided by 9. So that's the total number of data points. That is 59. Second part of the question is, if marks of each student increased by 4, what will be the new value of arithmetic mean? Increased by 4 meaning we need to add 4. These are the keywords that help us to solve. So to the current mean, by adding 4, we get the new arithmetic mean. That is 63. Question 3, find the mean of natural numbers from 3 to 12. So here the count of data points is 10. From 3 to 12. So mean is going to be, we need to add 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 and divided it by 10. So mean is 7.5. Question 4. Find the mean is the first part of the question. Second part is, we'll look one by one. First, we can find the arithmetic mean by adding all values and dividing by total number of data points. And in this question, it is 5 different data points are there. So 7 plus 11 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 5. The answer is 7. Second part of the question, if each number is diminished by 2, what is the new mean value? Diminish meaning we need to minus 2. Here again, this is a keyword. So the new mean is going to be 7 minus 2, that is 5. Next question 5, if the mean of the list of 5 data points are given is 8. Here mean is given, but one of the value in the data set is missing. That's been represented as A. So we need to find the value of A. So it's 27 plus A divided by 5. The mean is 8 already. So 8 into 5 is equal to 27 plus A. 40 on the left hand side, and bringing the numerals all on the left hand side, we get A equal to 13. Question 6, the mean of the numbers, again here x and y variables are there. We need to express y in terms of x. Here mean is already given as 8. So 27 plus x plus y divided by 5. There are totally 5 data points. Is actually 8. So 8 into 5 from the other side equal to 27 plus x plus y. So 40 minus 27. Separating the numerals and variables on the left hand side and right hand side, we get x plus y equal to 13. Second part is express y in terms of x. So y equal to 13 minus x. Next question 7, the age and the frequency is given. So with this we can find the arithmetic mean. By applying a different formulae, first we need to find fx, which is by multiplying the age to the frequency for each of the row. And then we can find the total frequency and total of fx to get the arithmetic mean. And the formula is given below. So just by substituting the value 614 by 40, we get the arithmetic mean as 15.35. Question 8. If 69.5 is the mean of the given set, find x. So we need to sum up all the data points in the data set with x is also as 1 point. And finally we can find the value of x, as mean is already given in the question. And here the total number of data points is 10. So 69.5 is the mean into 10. As it goes from division, it comes to the other side, left hand side. It becomes multiplication is equal to 695. That is LHS. 695 equal to, right hand side we need to sum up the values, 619 plus x. So bringing x on left hand side, value is 76. Question 9. Following table is given. Gives the height of the plants in centimeter, and the mean is also given. We need to find f. So same way, we need to first multiply f and x, and then find the total for both the columns. 28 plus f, 1718 plus 60f. So by substituting into the formulae of arithmetic mean, here we need to find f. The mean is already given in the question, that is 60.95. So 60.95 into 28 plus f comes on the left hand side, equal to 1718 plus 60f. So by solving, f, bringing f on one side and the numerals on the other side, 0.95f equal to 11.4. So value of f is 11.4 divided by 0.95, that's equal to 12. Next, question 10. Calculate the mean of the given data, correct to the nearest rupees, and 3 set of questions given below. So first we'll find the mean, then solve one by one. So first we'll multiply fx, 100, 240, 560, 960, 900, 600. Then we'll sum up the column 2 and 3, 42, 3360. So by substituting in the formula for arithmetic mean, 3360 by 42, that's going to be 80. So now the first part of the question is, if number of workers in each category is doubled, what would be the new mean? So here, if the workers are doubled, so both the columns will become double the value, 6720 by 42 into 2 is 84. The mean remain same. So no change in mean by doubling the workers in each category. Second part of the question, if wages in each category is increased by 60 degree, what is the new mean? So changes in wages will definitely hit the mean. And it's been mentioned increased by 60%. So we already know the mean, that is 80 into increase by 60%, so 160 by 100. That gives the new mean of 128. Third part of the question, if number of workers doubled, that actually doesn't bring any changes. We have seen that in part of first point. But wages reduced by 40% will impact the mean. So new mean we can calculate for this third part of the question. $80 into reduced by 40, so that is 60 by 100. That gives a new mean of 48. Hope You find this useful. If you find it useful, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.